Hey, in today's video, I'm going to go over this 2016 Volkswagen Passat TSI 1.8 TSI that I bought back in December. And after driving it for about a month or so, now I've had it several months, but the first month I noticed some things that were really annoying with this car. That some of them I can fix, some of them I can't really. It's just how it is. So I hope to hear some comments from you guys about your experience with this, but I'm going to go over those things that are really annoying and that I do not like about this vehicle. So in all, I counted 5 things that I'm going to share with you. I didn't want to make it too complex. There are little other things that, you know, we all wish we had on our vehicles that we don't. This is the base model. It's as base model as you could possibly get. It's the S model. But I have 5 things that I'm going to show you today about this car that I hate. All right, this is the car. Let's take a look at the first thing on the list. So one of the first things that I noticed when I got the car, you know, I got in, I sat down, and I closed the door. Well, there's nothing to it. You go to open it, and it's like, it's really nothing. I noticed there are a lot of rattles in this car through the doors. They're the speakers or whatever. There is no sound deadening whatsoever. So, I mean, they're light. It doesn't feel like anything. I mean, there's nothing to it. And, you know, you get noise from the outside. I'm just going to take these things apart and I'm going to put some sound deadening inside of it. It'll make it heavier. Yes, I know that, but it'll also make it feel like more of a luxury ride, being quieter and just a more solid door. They just feel like nothing. It feels really hollow when you close it. So close it and you know, it's not good. I just don't like it. I've been in other cars where you hit on the door and it's more of a solid sound, but this one in particular is just really annoying, and I think we can improve on that very much so. So now we're going to come around to the back. Excuse the car, there's still pollen in the air. So I go to clean the car for the first time. I'm washing the windows on the inside, and you notice inside there's some lint, dust, a few different places, a few little things down in here by the brake light. Go inside the car. I went to go clean it. You go inside the car and you can't get your hand down in there to clean it. It's ridiculous. I mean, you can barely get a piece of paper down there. I've taken air to it, like high pressure air in it, and it just will not clean it out. You have to take the rear deck, this rear lid deck off, and it's not hard, but it takes a while to do it. You've got to take these seats down, release a few things, disconnect a few things, and it's a pain in the ass. So if you want to get your windows tinted the right way, you've got to have that window clean. It's definitely not clean back there. It's annoying as hell. I've tried to think of everything possible to clean that out and get to it, but no, can't be done unless you take this deck off. So that's number 2 on the list, and it's a big one. Number 3 on the list is the instrument cluster. I'm just not impressed, and most of them are like this. I guess people they scratch really easily. I know I can apply some stuff to get those scratches off, or I could just replace it, but anyway, it looks like a 1980s DOS computer. It's stupid. I mean, thumbing through this stuff, I mean, it's just I guess that's just how they are. I'm just not impressed with it. It's overly simple. I came from a Ram 1500 that had everything. I mean, it was like a complete LED display or whatever in the dashboard. I know it was an upgraded model, but still, it's just, to me, it's not exciting. It's really basic, really simple. And I guess that's part of German cars. It's more of a driving experience than a luxury experience. I think that's probably the deal. But anyway, I don't like that. I don't think I'll be changing it, but I just wanted to share it with you. If you guys have these cars, let me know in the comments what you think about your instrument cluster. Maybe you can make me feel better about mine. So back inside the car, the fourth thing, actually the seats. This is the base model, the S model, but still, I mean, the seats look decent from a distance, but they are cheap, and the material snags on everything. Look here, see that? That's definitely going to get reupholstered, or going to get seat covers, really good ones. And see, it collects dust. I've steam cleaned these. I've done all kinds of things to them. So, but I just don't like it. It's just horrible. Like I said, you can see every little thing on these things. So I'm going to make a change for sure. And the fifth thing, guys, and again, remember, these are only just things right off the bat that drive me nuts. Underneath the car, when you want to do an oil change, which I always do my own because I like to put good stuff in it and I like to clean it up, but to change the oil, you have to take this complete skid plate, it's plastic, with some Torx screws all around it, take it off in order to get to the oil pan drain plug. I like it. It seems like it's a great idea, but when you're changing the oil, it's a pain in the ass. It really is. I mean, it takes an extra 10 minutes or whatever, unless you have it up on a lift. But I'm at home, and my channel's for people that just have regular cars and regular garages. And it's just not that easy to deal with. But that's just one other thing that you have to do when you go to change your oil. I don't like it. Right, that does it. That's the 5 things that annoy me the most that I initially have kind of discovered on this car since I bought it. It only took me a few weeks, almost a month to come to this conclusion. But hey, you guys probably have Passats, that's why you're watching this channel. Let me know down in the comments what your experiences are, what you don't like, if maybe there's something you can tell me that I don't know. But anyway, I just wanted to share those things with you because I'm trying to work with them, get used to them, make some changes, and I'll probably document that stuff for you guys as well. Hey, don't forget to like, thumbs up, subscribe if you would. Hit the bell, you'll get notifications, and we'll see you next time.